Today, I'll show you how to link Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, and Google Analytics. This setup helps you track website visitors, measure conversions, and send useful data between your ads and analytics reports. First, make sure you have three things ready: a Google Ads account, a Google Analytics 4 property, and a Google Tag Manager container installed on your website. Start with Google Tag Manager. Open Tag Manager. Choose your website container, then click Tags. Create a new tag and choose Google Tag for Google Analytics 4. Google says GA4 setup in Tag Manager uses the Google tag to send data from your website to Google Analytics. Enter your Google Tag ID from GA4, then set the trigger to all pages. Save the tag, preview it, and publish the container. Next, link Google Analytics to Google Ads. Open Google Analytics. Just go to Admin, then find Product Links. Click Google Ads Links, then click Link. Choose your Google Ads account, confirm the settings, and submit the link. Google says you need editor or administrator access in Analytics and administrative access in Google Ads to complete this connection. Now go to Google Ads. Open Tools, then go to Data Manager. Google's current instructions say you can connect a GA4 property from Data Manager by choosing Connect Product, then Google Analytics, GA4, and Firebase. Finally, set up conversion tracking. In Google Ads, create a conversion action, then copy the conversion ID and conversion label. Go back to Google Tag Manager, create a new tag, and choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking. Paste the conversion ID and conversion label, then choose the correct trigger, such as a thank you page, purchase event, or form submission. Google's Tag Manager guide confirms that Google Ads conversion tracking uses these values from the conversion action. Test everything using Tag Manager Preview or Google Tag Assistant, and that's it. You've successfully linked Google Ads, Tag Manager, and Analytics. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.